Honestly, same. I relate to this on a personal level. Look at that tiny head tilt. This kitten is absolutely losing its mind.
The hero nobody asked for has arrived. This tiny potato is fully enforcing.
Three seconds in and I already knew this would end badly. Look.
Okay.
My jaw literally hit the floor when that dog launched.
Hey buddy, what you doing?
My jaw literally hit the floor when that.
Huh?
This is the content I came to the internet for. That orange cat.
This is the content I came to the internet. The chaos starts immediately and does not stop. This plastic shield completely broke him.
That's right!
10 out of 10, no notes, that fluffy little speed demon.
No, you jumped over these double big shoes.
Look at the face of this dog completely wearing a.
What are you doing? You're turning my camera.
Not me watching this 12 times just to see that.
Oye, no, no, Totoro, no.
Scientists cannot explain this one orange cat stealing him.
Damn it, Chucky!
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
We are all witnessing history. This pug is losing its absolute mind over a.
It's official.
We have all been there. Especially that face at the end. Total zoom eyes mode activated. Talk about.
What is going on? Hello.
At what point do you reconsider your life choices?
Over for a treat?
That cat is literally.
I thought so.
I have so many questions about where that.
Oh no! No!
This is why I have trust issues with.
Hey.
The confidence. Unreal. She really thought she could climb out.
If you're hungry, say yeah.
The confidence. Unreal. He did.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
What's that? What's that?
Did you catch that? Rewind it, this cat.
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you. Okay.
Stop what you are doing and watch this right now. This dog.
Where did you get that? Careful. Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
This is the most committed thing I have ever seen. He spawned out of thin.
Why are you growling?
Well, this is our Sunday.
Oh, there's no top.
Sir, that is not how gravity works.
Do it again. Front flip. Guys, dude? What the? Dude, you're stuck, you're stuck.
You ever look at your person and think to yourself, wow, how did I land you?
I blinked and missed it the first time. This kitten is completely.
That's right. You and me. Right now. We're having it out. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Been walking down the street so many times my feet know every brick and stone. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why.
What is happening?
Whoa.
What is happening?
Whoa.
What is happening?
Excuse me, what? The cat completely wiped her out.
Oh god.
This is either genius or catastrophic. Probably both. This cat is actively. What were they thinking? Nobody knows. Moving on. That cat is aggressively needing hairy legs. Absolute.
Who did?
Bad dog.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Stop. Stop.
How did nobody stop this cat from sleeping like?
Oh, are you okay?
The audacity. The absolute audacity of this dog chasing them. The audacity. The absolute audacity of this cat stealing.
Did I eat healthy tonight? No, I didn't think so.